Hi, I'm Terry from Mr. Locksmith, and I have a great schedule coming up with 4-day hands-on locksmith class. It's good for the beginners. It's good for if you work in a hospital or a school board and you look after the locks. This class is for you. So it's 4-day hands-on. We're going to cover everything from rekeying locks, picking locks, which everybody enjoys how to pick locks. We're going to rekey them, repair them. You're going to look at the common issues you're going to run across, and we're going to do master keying as well as installing the locks. So it's hands-on. There's no PowerPoint, there's no nothing. There's lots of videos to watch, but during the class, it's 100% hands-on. We're going to cut keys. We're going to cut keys on the duplicator. We're going to cut them on the code machines. It's a great class. You will enjoy yourself. It's a lot of fun. Everybody loves it. The bottom line is, if you could use a screwdriver, I can teach you how to be a locksmith. Unfortunately, if you can't use a screwdriver, don't take my class. I can't teach you how to use a screwdriver, but I can teach you how to pick locks, rekey locks. So I have a great schedule coming up, all 4-day hands-on class. We'll have a few 1-day classes. We're still working on that. Check the website. There'll be lots of information there, and I look forward to meeting you, and we'll have lots of fun on the hands-on locksmith class. Have a good day.